Zag.
Mariam, you are not gonna read anything for them, okay? Yeah. चलो, this is written zebras. Zebra के बाद एक SB है. Don't forget to read that, okay? Zebras zig and zebras zag. I will put your names on the wheel and we are going to say this 5 times non-stop. कितनी बार बोलना है?
Zebra zag.
5 times non-stop. Zebra zig and zebra zag. Zebra zig and zebra zag. Okay? चलिए. Be put.
Come, my turn first. Please, ma'am. Like only half an hour. This is fun. Class or must. How is this thing?
चलिए, let's spin. And
Yellow,
let's
yellow,
see.
please, yellow, please, yellow, please, yellow.
And
Yellow, yaar. Yellow, I'm first. Yeah, baby, I'm first.
Aisha. चलिए Aisha, your chance. So where is the tongue twister? Here it is. चलो Aisha, start. Non-stop 5 times in full speed.
Yeah, I know exactly. Zebra zick and zebra zag.
Don't stop. You are not supposed to stop. 5 times.
Zebra zick and zebra zag. Zebra zick and zebra zag. Zebra zick and zebra zag. Zebra zick and zebra zag.
Very,
Zebra
very
zick
good.
and zebra zag.
Very good. Very nice. Zebra zig and zebra zag. Good job. चलो अब स्पिन करेंगे, देखेंगे समृद्ध की बारी आएगी या फिर श्लोका की बारी आएगी. लेट्स डू दैट. Okay, Samrat and then Shloka. चलो, let's do it with. चलो बच्चे, start. पढ़ो. समृद्ध, योर चांस ना. चलो बेटा, इसको बोलेंगे नॉन स्टॉप, ट्राई करेंगे 5 टाइम्स बोलने का. जीब्रा जिग एंड जीब्रा जैग. ठीक है, बोलो.
Zebra six. Hey.
हाँ.
Zebra six. Zebra zag.
वेरी
Zebra
गुड.
six. Zebra zag. Zebra six. Zebra zag. Zebra six. Zebra zag. Zebra six. Zebra zag.
Very good. Very nice, Samrat. Good job. Now Shloka will speak this non-stop 5 times. Start, Shloka.
Zebra zig and zebra zag. Zebra zig and zebra zag. Zebra zig and zebra zag. Zebra zig and zebra zag.
वेरी वेरी गुड. जीब्रा जिगन जीब्रा जैक, जीब्रा जिगन जीब्रा जैक. कोई इतना फास्ट बोल सकता है? जीब्रा जिगन जीब्रा जैक, जीब्रा जिगन जीब्रा जैक. सो फास्ट. ओके, we'll do it next time. ठीक है. चलिए, well done. So this was very easy tongue twister. Slowly we'll do big one also and little difficult one also. ठीक है. चलिए, अभी हम अपनी बुक ओपन करेंगे. What story we are supposed to read today? So this is the page. Page number is 83. So we have a story about a hot pot. I want you to silently read this story in your mind first by understanding what are you reading, and then I will ask you to read one by one. Okay? Start your silent reading now. Everyone in your head. We will read in our head slowly to understand what is it. आयशा, आप एक जगह पे बैठते नहीं हो. Done reading? Once done, let me know, okay? समरथ, आपने रीड कर ली? Can we read with you first? Okay. Unmute your mic and start reading the story.
A hot pot. Dad got a new pot. The pot got
This is V
do
A R E. V A R E.
were
Very.
very hot.
Yeah.
The dot saw the hot pot. Dad said dot do not the go with the pot.
Yeah. Do not.
The dot the did not go to the pot.
Very good, Samrat. Very nice. Very fast reading. चलो अब बताओ मुझे, who got a new pot? What is the name of the boy who got a new pot?
Dad.
Okay. And what kind of a pot was that?
Hot.
Okay, so you should say that the pot was very hot, like in full sentence. Okay, what kind of a pot was that? It was a,
Hot pot.
yeah, we should always try to speak complete. Acha, now tell me, who is that little boy? What is the name of the little boy?
Dot.
What is Todd doing here in this story?
He's saying do not touch this pot.
Why is he saying that do not touch this pot?
It is very hot.
Yeah, and what if the Todd will touch that? What will happen?
What?
What if this boy Todd touches the pot? What will happen?
His hands will burn.
Yeah, his hands will burn and he will cry. Okay? Very good, Samrat. Now read the questions below. Start answering them in your book. Okay, we will discuss those. Aisha, now you unmute your mic and read, please.
A hot pot. Dad got a
You.
new pot. The pot go
Dot.
dot
The pot got.
the pot got
Okay, this Y
very
हाँ, very, very good. Y
hot.
end में E बोलता है. Yes, hot. The pot got very hot.
Hot.
Read the next line.
The
Very easy.
the dot has the hot pot.
Okay, this is saw the hot pot, not has. This saw. Okay, the dot saw the hot pot. Next.
Dad said,
Hmm.
don't
Taught.
taught,
No, देखो. Dad said, what is the first word? Taught.
do
Do.
not
Hmm. Go.
go to the pot.
Yes. And the last line?
The
Hmm.
taught
Hmm. Did.
did
Hmm.
not
Hmm.
go
Hmm.
to the pot.
Very good. Okay, Aisha. Now tell me that why was this pot very hot? You are on mute.
Because it was on hot fire.
Very good. Because it was on hot fire. It had bubbles. So it is hot. Very nice. Okay, Shloka, you read this now. And mute first, Shloka. You are on mute, beta.
A hot pot.
Hmm.
Dan got a new pot.
Hmm.
The pot got very hot.
Hmm.
The top to the pot.
Hmm.
Dan said, "Top, do not go to the pot."
Hmm.
The dot did not go to the pot.
Okay. Now tell me what excites this little tot that he was looking it so excitedly to the pot. What do you think?
He think it is so yummy food in it.
And maybe those bubbles are exciting, na? He wants to touch the bubbles and pop them, right? So because tot means actually tots are little babies. Very small babies are called tots. Okay, they don't have that kind of intelligence. They are just attracted towards the things and they want to do everything around they see, whatever they see. है ना? You have seen little tots around you anywhere? आपने कभी छोटे बेबीज देखे हैं? नहीं? है ना? उनको सब कुछ चाहिए होता है ना? Everything they need, whether hot or cold or wet or any, है ना? So this is also a little boy and he is excited to touch the bubbles. And what is this big boy Dan telling? Do not go to the pot because it is very hot. You will hurt yourself. Okay, very good. Chalo, now let's discuss the answers. I will ask Samrat to read the first question and how are we going to write down its answer? Samrat, first question read करके answer बताओ क्या लिखोगे?
मैम को पूरा करने बंद हो रहा है.
चलिए इसका आंसर
पूरा कर लो, मुझे फर्स्ट का बता दो बस, ठीक है?
Who got a pot?
हाँ, कौन लाया था pot? Who got a pot?
Dad.
Okay, so are we going to just write down Dan?
No.
Then?
हमको who नहीं लिखना है, हमको बस तब में dad लिखते हैं, फिर हमको आंसर लिखना है, हमको who नहीं लिखना.
Okay, but who
Who
की जगह पे?
got a pot? हमको ये लिखना है.
So Dan
Dan
got a pot. Very, very good, Samrat. Very nice boy. Shabash. कर लो, complete कर लो. Good job. Let me also write it here and you can also see how, and first letter capital. Make sure of the full stop. Dan got a pot. You can even add a new, because new भी था ना उसमें word. Dan got a new pot. If you have not written it, it's okay. It's fine. But if you are writing with me, so then you can add this word also. Dan got a new pot. Okay. चलो, then Shloka, you read second one.
How was the pot?
Yes. What do we write?
The pot was hot.
Yeah, we can also add a word very. Okay. The pot was very hot. How do you write down very? It's v, e, and then for E sound, we write Y. It is there in your story also. So let's write it. How was the pot?
The
Pot was very hot and a full stop. Aisha, are you writing down the answers? I know you do not have the book, but still we can write it in our notebook or somewhere. You're playing with something. Okay. Then Aisha will give us the answer for the third one. Aisha, read it.
मैम
Yes, Samrat?
मैम वो सबसे बात नहीं है डॉट वही वो क्या करा
एक सेकेंड
What happened?
वो कह रहे दो ये दोनों समान नहीं डैड एंड डॉट आर नॉट समान उन्हें नहीं देखा पॉट पे हैंडल है
पॉट पे हैंडल है, वो हैंडल भी हॉट होता है पॉट का, क्लॉथ से पकड़ना पड़ता है ना, हैंडल भी हॉट हो जाता है
तुम
ना।
ये हैंडल को एक की से हटा सकते हो हैंडल को
हाँ, वो तो कर सकते हैं।
हाँ जी भूल गए
मैं भूल
वो
गई।
दोनों समान भी नहीं है
हाँ, मैं भूल गई थी। अच्छा, okay, who was reading this? Third one, who saw the pot? Yes, Aisha, tell me the answer. किसने देखा था पॉट बाद में? आयशा, who saw the pot? Are you saying something? I can't hear you. आयशा, क्या कह रहे हो बेटा? What was the name of the little boy? Tot.
God
Tot.
God
हाँ, आपको याद नहीं है ना? And even you do not have the book. Tot saw the hot pot. Okay, that little boy was Tot. Tot saw the hot pot or Tot saw the pot. Write this down ना आयशा. चलो, लास्ट का आंसर कौन बताएगा मुझे? Who did not go to the pot? Dan or Tot?
God
Yes. So again, we will write down
Ma'am?
Tot and then the complete answer. Yes, Samrat?
अब हम डॉट एंड डैट लिख सकते हैं पॉट के साथ
कैसे पूरा बोल के बताओ?
डॉट एंड डैट लिख सकते हैं पॉट के साथ एंड
हाँ, डॉट एंड डैन बोथ आपको दोनों लिखना है। हाँ, लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि दोनों ही नहीं गए ना पॉट के पास तो। हॉट, यू कैन राइट डाउन बोथ नेम्स. Tot and Dan did not go to the pot. Okay? Tot and Dan. Dan का भी D capital लिखना if you are writing both the names. First letter of names is always capital.
डॉट लिख सकते हो का
Did not. Go का went भी लिखेंगे हम. Okay? Go. Whenever there is go in the question, in the answer you change it to went. Did not went to, इसका past tense का word डालते हैं. The pot. Dan and Todd did not went to the pot. अभी हमें क्या draw करना है? Draw a hot pot. You can copy, just see and try to draw the same kind of a pot from the story's picture above. Okay, try that. Or you can just imagine and draw any hot pot that comes to your mind, like this, make an oval shape, another shape around it, and this is how it show fire below, maybe the words. Okay, and the smoke coming out and the bubbles.
Mummy, draw that this is Mr. Draw that this is बड़ा बड़ा
बड़ा बड़ा, हाँ कितना अच्छा बनाया है आपने, आपकी ड्राइंग बहुत अच्छी है समृद्ध। उसने टॉट भी बना दिया है और वो भी बना दिया डैन, टॉट एंड डैन। आप समर कैंप में नहीं आ रहे हो ना, हम इतनी अच्छी अच्छी ड्राइंग बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे।
डन मैम, मेरे चलते पे 5 पार्ट 8 लिख डन मैम।
ओके आयशा।
मेरे चलते टू का लिख कर डॉट दीजिएगा। डन मैम। मैं जी डाटो रोल मेरे चलते डाटो जी
डन श्लोका। ओके ओके समृद्ध, आपने कर लिया ना कंप्लीट?
हाँ जी कर दिया।
चलिए हाँ,
Can I show the hot pot?
yeah please show me the hot pot. Oh, you've colored also the hot pot. Very pretty. Send me a picture of this page, everybody. Let me check your work. Okay. Now, we will be doing one sight word today. So, let's check that what is the sight word that we have to do. We all know what is a sight word, right? What is a sight word? That you have to read quickly. Very, very quickly as soon as you see it. And sight words can be tricky also. बताया था ना मैंने सारे साइट वर्ड्स जो हैं वो कैसे होते हैं। वॉज कर लिया था हमने। व्हाट इज द लास्ट साइट वर्ड वी हैड डन? एनीवन कैन टेल मी? हु विल, कौन सा वॉज किया था हमने? वॉज
मैंने किया था।
वॉज अभी नहीं किया। कौन सा किया था श्लोका लास्ट हमने? हिज किया था ना। चलो वॉज तो मैम आपको वैसे भी बताती रहती है ना। ओपन पेज नंबर 18 from your sight word book and look at this word. Now you can read that this is read as was and this is not read as was. Do we read this as was or was?
वैस हम नहीं पढ़ते।
हाँ क्यों नहीं पढ़ते?
अरे वो होते वैस के पास।
राइट, देखो मैंने आपको बताया था, मैम टोल्ड यू दिस दैट this is a sight word and it is a tricky sight word. Not all the sight words are tricky, but many are. तो इसमें क्या होता है, this W becomes very controlling. ये किसको कंट्रोल कर लेता है? A को। ये A को कंट्रोल करता है। what does it tell to A?
वॉज कैसे पढ़ते? वो ऐसे तो जी लेते, वो टोटा वाला जी लेता है।
अच्छा,
वो टोटा जी कहता है फिर पढ़ वॉज।
हाँ ये कहता है I will say my sound what is my sound? And it says you are A, but I don't want you to say a. I will control your sound and you are going to say oh. What will you say?
वो बन गया, वो
बन गया ना अब ये। अब now A, because it is controlling the sound of A, so it's o, and this S say is sounding like a, it doesn't say s, it's not was, it's was. I will sound like Z. I will sound like D. Okay, so in the book only you can make this. ओके ये करो, 1 मिनट में कॉल बैक करो। All right, in your book only here, and this is how we read this word was. And how do we use this word? Was is always used for things which you have already done, gone, finished, over. ठीक है, ऐसी चीजें जो हम कर चुके हैं। I was playing, and only फॉर वन पर्सन, कितने लोगों के लिए वॉज बोला जाता है? ओनली फॉर वन पर्सन, लाइक आई वॉज, शी
वॉज
वॉज,
यहाँ पे
ही
जहाँ भी
वॉज।
वॉज है उसको कट क्रॉस लगा दो।
ठीक है, किसके लिए बोलते हैं वॉज, कितने लोगों के लिए यूज करते हैं वॉज?
वहां पे किसी का
Only one. Okay, whether it is one name, whether it is one girl, one boy, or whether you are talking about yourself, something that you have already done. तो इस पेज को करेंगे। हाँ जी,
मैम ये तो नेम लिखा है सबसे नीचे वाला, वो रूब्लॉक्स वाला नेम है। एक्स
रोब्लॉक्स वाला
वाई
गेम है।
जी,
एक्स वाई
एक्स वाई
जी,
जी,
एक्स वाई
ये
जी
नेम
रोब्लॉक्स।
मेरा रूब्लॉक्स पे है,
ओके, ऑल राइट,
मेरा
रोब्लॉक्स।
फ्रेंड का नाम है
अच्छा,
रूब्लॉक्स पे।
okay. So when we are doing this page, we are trying to speak sentences also. Okay, Samrat was playing Roblox. So Samrat is one boy. So we are using was. अगर मैं बोलूंगी समरथ एंड श्लोका, तो क्या बोलूंगी? was playing Roblox। क्या हो जाएगा was का? Anyone knows? Samrat, हाँ, अगर R is like when you are doing it presently. What if you are already done? Samrat and Shloka are playing means right now playing. What if you are finished with that play? Were. Okay? क्या बोलते हैं? Were. जब एक से ज्यादा होते हैं और कोई काम फिनिश हो चुका होता है, we say were. Okay? For more people, we say were. For one person, we say was. Okay, Aisha? Understood? Yes, Samrat, I can see that. XYE. XYE. Your friend in Roblox, huh? चलो करो ये पेज and speak up sentences. Was. Samra, tell me a sentence on was.
I was in the bedroom.
Okay. All right. Shloka, you tell me a sentence using was.
I was climbing on the tree.
Okay. Aisha, what about you? You tell.
इसमें से वॉज की स्पेलिंग ढूंढ के कलर करनी।
I was reading in school.
Okay. Very good. I was reading in school. So it is that you have already done that. And one more thing I have told, very, very important about this word. What is this? Who will retell this? If it is for how many people we use was?
So bad.
And for if there are more than one and the thing is already done, what do we say? Were. Okay. So this is something extra that we have learned other than was. Was is used for only one person. When you have more than one and they are done doing something, we say were. चलो ये पेज फिनिश कर लो. Once done. Once done, you have to let me know that, okay?
भाई क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ये बस है, तो पे है पे एस देखा, ये ट्रायंगल, ये एक शार्क का फिट बन गया था। शार्क का फिट बना।
बस बहुत सुंदर सुंदर।
अब काटो सुबह सीखो। He was
चलिए, okay, so I am giving you a link now.
What is
Once you are done
the
that sideward page, please come to the
third?
ट्रक
He was in the truck.
कौन से पिक्चर में ट्रक दिख रही है?
This smart is submitted it. The truck is it's number three.
ये क्या लिखा है? ये क्या लिखा है पढ़ो?
stop the recording now.